Man, feel me, dinner date, pulls out that from the crib. What you gonna say?
This shit busting, you gonna get some.
Well, if you want to impress the partner that you're bringing over, him, her, or even it, this will make them fall in love. I did a poll on my Instagram of salmon, steaks, or dessert. Everybody liked that beef in their mouth, so they put steaks. Something's wrong with y'all. Either way. Why are you laughing? You're gonna be tight. Is it still funny enough?
Oh my god. Everyone likes that beef in their mouth. That was a good one.
Word, that was the poll. They filled that shit up with steak. They love that beef. Alright, before we even get to anything, wash your damn hands. That easy. So first, we got our Yukon Gold potatoes. Peel them, cut them into small pieces, and then boil them in the pot. In the pot, I added rosemary and thyme, like a bunch of them. Throw it in there. That flavors the water. Also add salt to it. Boil them until they get fork tender. Probably like 7 to 10 minutes until that happens, feel me? Next thing you know, we're ready to cook everything off. Basically what you're waiting for is the potatoes. So do whatever you want, all those 7 to 10 minutes. Hey Loki. Hold on, yeah, actually, come here. You're gonna be in this video. Come here.
Okay.
After the potatoes are boiled and fork tender, strain them in the sink and leave them there for now. In that same pot, add a little oil, saute some onions, and then add the heavy cream. Now, we're gonna move on to the steaks. Take them out the pack. These are ribeyes right here. Boneless ribeyes, right? Doesn't matter what you get. The most expensive steak is the better choice. Put the steaks on the cutting board. Don't be afraid to season the steaks. Put a lot of salt, cover the whole surface area of the steak with salt and pepper. Before you even do that, pat it dry with a paper towel. The moisture from the steaks could f up the searing in the pot. Pat them dry, then season with the salt and pepper. The heavy cream is a little simmer, a little bubbly, right? Throw in your potatoes and the heavy cream. Just let that sit for a little bit. Now for that cast iron, add oil to the pot, let that heat up on medium to high heat, like in the feel me? Once you see the heavy cream start to simmer again, grab your masher, mash the potatoes as hard as you can, season it with salt, taste it. You like it? Of course you do. Now, with the steaks, sear it on one side, the seasoned side down first, and then season the top part of the steaks, the unseasoned side, I should say. Let that sear for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a little trick that I do to know your temperatures, right? With your hands, a thumb to the index finger, and you press right here, that's rare. Mid-rare, medium, well done. I want a medium well. So while our steaks are searing, once we flip it and have that good sear, that good char on our steaks, leave it over like 2 to 3 minutes searing and then tap it. Just literally push the meat. Whatever you feel right here, if it's tough like this, you violated it. You cooked it for too long. If it's bouncy, you want that medium rare side. So we seared it, the thinner the steak, the faster it cooks. So we got ribeye, so it's on like that, like, feel me, the medium thickness of the beef. Pause. Take it out, it's 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Take it out, let it rest on the cutting board. Leave that pan right there. We got wine. We got some Cabernet Sauvignon from 2007, and it's from Horse Heaven Hills. $14. Don't buy no expensive shit. Deglaze the pan with the wine. You can do whatever the wine, just deglaze it. I'll say about, actually, if y'all want the recipes, let me know in the comment section down below. Speaking of comment section, I want y'all to like this video, subscribe. By the way, this much of y'all is not subscribed to my channel. Why y'all playing me like that? Get me up there, just subscribe, bro, it's free. Next thing you know, once your wine goes in the pot, be careful where the wine goes because you can literally open the flame and have your whole place burnt down. So just in the pot, try not to pour it everywhere or spill it. You're gonna see your wine bubbling, just let it simmer for a little bit on like medium to low heat. Cook off all the alcohol and lift up all that flavor and fond from the pot. Then you're gonna add our beef broth. Next thing you know, we're gonna add our butter and nappe the sauce. Nappe basically means like sprinkle the flour. Try not to put clumps, just feel me, flour into the pan and you'll get your sauce. And that's literally it. We cooked our steaks, made our mashed potatoes, and we got our sauce in. Time to plate. First, I put the mash in, did like the little spoon trick. I forgot what that is called. But just put the sauce in the middle and pile the steaks. Put some flowers, whatever you got in your kitchen. Just make it look nice, right? You can follow my lead, you can do it your own way. Get creative. So it won't be what's it called? FIL unless I have someone to try the food. Yes, relax. This is my sister. Stop playing. Try the food out real quick. Let me know.
I need a fork. We have to choose the sauce here.
OD, like yo, I know them, bro. I know these people, bro. They gonna be fiending.
Okay, that's funny.
Be honest, be real.
Okay.
Be real.
Okay.
So boom, your man, feel me, dinner date, pulls out that from the crib. What you gonna say?
This shit busting, you gonna get some tonight.
Yo, I'm crying. Well, you see it though.
Yeah, just go ahead.
You see it though. Is that valid? Is it really valid?
Busting.
Yo, you know what we forgot to do? You know that go I do at the end of the video? You have to do that. Ready? Go!
Wait, I'm gonna get up.
That's, oh my gosh, fine. You ready? Three, 2, 1. Go!